Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to PayPal. It's very easy thing to do. First, go to bybit.com and log in with your email and password. Then after logging, you will redirect it to this home page. Now from here, you will see a bunch of options here. Then from here, select assets, and then you will see an option deposit or an option withdraw. Just tap on withdraw, select withdraw. Then you will redirect it to this page. If you want to withdraw your crypto on your PayPal, select your withdraw crypto here. Then enter your PayPal wallet address here. Then select a chain type. For example, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, then select chain BTC. Then enter amount and review all the information and select confirm. And that's how you can transfer crypto from your Bybit to your PayPal.